Hello, this is just a quick video to show you how to change your email signature if you're not sure how to do that. When you're in your inbox in Gmail, you click on the Gear tab, which should be right below your picture in the right-hand corner. Then you click on Settings. In the General tab, you want to scroll down a little bit until you see Signature. Under Signature, you are expected to have your name, position, school, address, phone number, and extension, and that's it. You have all of your font options up here if you want to make it different in any way. But otherwise, again, the school board and Lynn would like you to have your name, position, school, address, phone number, and the extension. Once you've got that all typed into the signature box, you can click Save Changes. It doesn't show up for me because I haven't changed anything. But you do need to click Save Changes. If you don't, it will not save your changes. Once you have that, you can click on Compose, and every time you send a message from now on, your email signature will be a part of it. Additionally, when you click Reply to someone, it will also be listed there, but you won't see it. It's trimmed content, so you need to click on Show Trimmed Content, and then you'd be able to see your signature there. If you have questions or need help with anything, just let me know.